Hello guys, so it's Vlogmas and I'm starting all of my videos this month, well not all of them, but a lot of them, off like this, like a vlog. Today, I am going to decorate my bedroom for Christmas. Y'all, I have never decorated my bedroom for Christmas. I've never decorated my kids' bedroom for Christmas. I mean, I did get Isabella a princess tree when she was little, but like to actually decorate the rooms, this is the first year. So I'm really excited because this is gonna get done. Now, usually I do my bed first thing in the morning, but honestly, I was so lazy this morning. So I just got up, tried to do something with my hair, and rushed out the door to take the kids to school. So now I'm back, I'm gonna make my bed, but I'm gonna decorate this room and you guys are gonna hang out with me. I got some really cute stuff at Marshall's yesterday, and then I just got back from Michael's and got some garland, super cheap, which I'm super excited, and then this too, which I really, really like. Excuse my hair. I am trying to do like the curly girl method. I have really wavy curly hair, not tight curls, but like wavy curls, and I haven't done it in so long. And I don't straighten my hair with a straight iron. I just blow dry it and brush through it, and it just does what it does. But I'm trying to embrace, it's looking a mess right now, but I'm trying to embrace a difference in my hair, like different styles in my hair. Like, I call it Bon Jovi hair. Anyone have a parent that listens to Bon Jovi? That's what this is. So, and it makes it feel a lot thicker because you guys know that my hair is thinning from the steroids I take for my asthma, and I need to fix it. And I have low testosterone. I'm gonna just start doing some herbal stuff to try to help it. But moving on, sidetracked. I'm gonna decorate this room real quick, and you guys are gonna follow along with me. This year, I was gonna go with the super like icy grays and blues and flocked trees, but then when I was in Michael's, I decided I'm gonna, you know what, go for like the swag natural look, and I think that's what I'm gonna do. I've got a garland gonna come up here. I am so excited. Honestly, Emily from Mama from Scratch inspired me to do this, so thanks girl, love you. I'm really excited. And I told my husband last night, I'm like, can I get a tree for our room? He's like, I don't care. Well, I'm not gonna get a tree because I'm too cheap, and I'll just wait till the end of the season and then get one really cheap, and I'll have it for next year. So I'm just gonna do it unless I find one on like a yard sale or something, because y'all know I love me a yard sale. So okay, let's get started. So I have, let me put you this way. So I have a new comforter coming. I know I've mentioned this if you guys have been with me for a while when I've done some of my cleaning. I don't like my comforter. It's like a satin type, and I'll show it to you. But Ruby's paws, because we let her on our bed, it's like pulled it. You know how like bathing suits get that like piling on the back of them when you sit on the concrete or whatever on the pool? That's what my bed has. So I flipped it over and it did it to the other side, and the sides of it are ripping. So on Cyber Monday, I ordered myself a new comforter, and I'm super excited. Let me show y'all. The comforter has not come in yet, I think today. So at the end of this video, I may have the new one up. But this one, let me show you if you can see it. All the piling, and it's super uncomfortable. Like, it's really rough, and it doesn't feel good anymore. And then this I got from Target, and it's ripping. I'm gonna keep it on my bed though because I really love it. It's comfortable. This here is starting to rip on the bottom. I just kind of tuck it in here because ain't nobody need to see that. And yeah, so that's what I'm gonna do. Like I had mentioned, I'm gonna put something up there. I was really thinking I was gonna go for like the icy snowy look, but I've changed it. I want to do traditional. Okay, so this is what I got from Michael's, and I love it because it's got like the little blue berries and pine cones. It looks super real. It's really, really full. It was $30, and it was 50% off of all of the Christmas stuff, and then I had another 20% off of that. So I was gonna go and get the the 9-foot flocked garland from Walmart. It was $12.97, and my store had a bunch of them. You can't get them online, and that's a really good deal. It was really pretty. But as I was starting to get more and more into decorating, so like I have ideas in my head, but once I start like going through the motions, things change, and I start to get another vibe, another feeling. And this was speaking to me. It was something about the, like, I don't know, it's just so like real looking. So, and then I'm like, you know what, this room really doesn't need any more white, it needs color. So I'm gonna do the pops of red, this, and then I wanna get some like swaggy type garland to put up there, which I'm gonna sell those things if y'all want them. Right there, I have 2. If that's something that you guys want, I think they're like 3 feet, no, 30 inches tall, I don't know. I'm gonna put them on my Macari app because it's time for them to go.
I don't know who you are, I don't know what you've been through, why you got scars. Since you walked through the door, I've been trying to reach you, cause I feel you. What's the story to tell? What's the story behind?
So now I'm not sure about this.
Mountain you're trying to climb. Think I've heard it before in a movie line. We can write our own ending this time. I wanna say no, but I cannot lie. I am so curious about your life, but you're a stranger trying to hide. What I see is not, you don't deny. I wanna see the rest of you tonight. Seven of you and only one is for real. You spin me around and you make believe. Seven of you and only me. How can I?
Okay, so this is what I have so far. I still am gonna fix this. This is not gonna be the final thing, but this is kind of what I have so far. I'm just gonna give you a rough idea. And now it's time to work on this side. Okay, so here it is. Here's the dresser. I took this off of the bed because obviously that was just for picture and to show you like it all dressed up. But that can't stay on the bed when we sleep. So I put this here and then put the VCR. What, did I just say VCR? Did I just say VCR? Oh my gosh, what year was I born? DVD player. And a picture of my husband and I. There we go, there's a picture of my husband and I. So then I put the beads. I put the beads here in the books. And then I use this candle because I'm gonna use the other one that I love so much out there in the kitchen. I like, or sorry, in the boys' bathroom. Noah's in the bath. I've got my Scentsy going. I know that's really bright, and it's filled with cinnamon bear. Oh, Noah, please stop calling my name. I love you so much. Okay, so here it is. I've got my flock tree. This was from Target. It was $10. I've got my Scentsy. I couldn't show it to you guys lit up, but I've got cinnamon bear in there. And then I put this here. Picture of my husband and I, and this. So that's what it looks like when we're laying in bed. And I like it. As you guys know, I don't like a lot of clutter in my bedroom. It's supposed to be a serene place for me. So I didn't want to go over the top, and I think these little trees are honestly just perfect. And I think I like it. I'm content with it. It feels really good. It doesn't feel cluttered. So this is it. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it inspired you to make your own holiday haven in your bedroom or any place in your house really. I had a lot of fun filming this one because I got to chat with you guys and it was a little bit different than my normal decorate with me. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know in the comments below if you liked this style of video. I will be participating in Vlogmas and I am really looking forward to it, getting to know you guys and you guys getting to know my family more. So if you guys are new, I would love it if you would consider subscribing before you go. Don't forget to like this video and I will see y'all in the next one. Bye!